Alrighty, good morning, traders, and welcome to the Pip Hunter Show. Yes, there's been a name change. We changed it to Pip Hunter, and that's what the show is going to be called now from here onwards, the Pip Hunter Show. Hey, hopefully everyone had a great weekend and had a great week last week trading. We're going to go ahead and take a look and see what's going on in the market this morning. And then once again, traders, we're always going to be looking for a 20 pip net profit. The strategy hasn't changed, but yes, the name has changed to Pip Hunter. That's what it's going to be called right now. So traders, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on in the market. We're going to look at some fundamentals. We're going to look at some trade opportunities, technically set up, look for support and resistance, and look to see if we can go ahead and get into trades that can give us a 20 pip net profit. So with that being said, traders, let's get the show on the road. I'll see you right after this. All right, traders. Well, Cameron doesn't know it, but I'm going to bring him onto the show to go ahead and talk about a trade setup. So he better be ready. He better have his shirt on so he can go ahead and get some trade. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm just making him a little worried out here. All right, so just so that you know, Cameron's been trained up to go ahead and do these sessions. He's going to be talking about trade opportunities just like I've been doing, and he's going to take over a couple of these sessions. Now, the reason why I'm training up Cameron, I want to show you that it's that simple to be able to find trade opportunities by using the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. Oh, sorry, there I go again, the Pip Hunter Trading Tool, as well as, of course, looking at the trade signals that we go ahead and send over to those traders that have subscribed to our starter membership. Now, if you want to go ahead and check out some details down below in the description, you'll see there's a lot of details that you can go ahead and find out all about our trade replica and our trading tools that we use here in this trading session. Also, while you're down there, there's a lot of information there, as well as the Telegram channel. Check out our Telegram channel. All the trades that we place inside this Pip Hunter show will be available inside the Telegram channel, so you can go ahead and follow along the way. Also, very, very important, while you're down there, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you may want to go ahead and do so. Subscribe to the channel, but also go ahead and smash the like button. We love those like buttons, so go ahead and smash them. Now, we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what trade opportunity do we have this morning. We do have trades that we've carried over from last week. In fact, the Canadian Swiss, we're still in some positions on the Canadian Swiss, which leaves us with other opportunities to be able to look at other trades that we can go ahead and trade this morning. And we're going to go ahead and do so. We're also going to introduce, of course, our sponsor today. We also talk about our sponsor today and exactly what we can do with regards to getting our trade replica for absolutely free. I said last week it's going to be $20. I decided we're going to go ahead and make it free, but we are going to talk about when you can get that and how it can be free to you in the first month. Okay, just the first month, we're going to give you guys an opportunity to be able to build your account up, at least for the first month, if you go ahead and open up a trading account, a live trading account with a cap. So we're going to go ahead and talk about those details in a moment. So let's jump into the trading opportunities this morning. So let's go ahead and grab a pen and paper. Let's go ahead and flip over to our chart. And let's take a look and see what we've got going right here. Now, I do have the daily time frame open right here. I'm looking at the Aussie Canadian. And at the moment right now, the Aussie Canadian is moving higher than what I expected. I didn't expect this market to go ahead and blow out of this this bit of consolidation we had here at the backside of this trend line. So it's doing that. And also I'm looking over here as well. And I'm noticing that we do have a negative movement in the oscillator. But of course, price has not broken up above the previous high. Now, I don't know. Maybe this is what the market's trying to tell us. Maybe the market's trying to tell us that if we do go ahead and trade up a little bit higher above that, we're going to have negative divergence here. And we can start thinking about price action moving back down south. Now, I would rather prefer that the market just continues to work its way back down south without any sort of negative divergence. But it is what it is. So I'm going to go into a 4-hour time frame. Let's break this thing down on a 4-hour. And I'm looking at the 4-hour right here. I really would like to have had the market stall here, but I know that I noticed something right here. Look at this trend line. Now, I'm a little unorthodox when it comes to trend lines. I do a little differently than what most people have been taught to do. Maybe because I've been doing this for so long, I get a little lazy. No, I'm just kidding. I'm looking for some shortcuts. No, I'm also kidding about that too. No, it's just because I've seen the market do these certain things multiple times. And so I've got used to be able to adjust in my trend line to certain levels. Now, this is what I'm going to do. Notice that I've got my trend line connected here on the low, right down here, and then it's on the next low right here. So what I tend to do is I tend to move my trend line up a little bit where I'm seeing more of the body being tested. So we might have a little bit of wicks chewing up a bit of the trend line right here by trading through. But look right here. If I go ahead and connect the bodies, I'm starting to get the market testing the backside right here. All right, there it is there. So now I'm a little more like, yeah, I'm excited because now I can see here on the 4-hour time frame. Check this out. Check out the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, we do have price moving higher. We have the backside of the trend line right here. And look at this. We do have negative divergence setting up right here. All right, we do have negative divergence. So I'm a little bit out. And by the way, just another thought right here. Notice that we had a wave 1, 2, 3. So which means if this is 1, 2, 3 right here, then all this is a fourth wave pullback. And yes, I know it's gone a little higher than the wave 1 right here, but which means that we should be looking for a little bit of resistance for price to move back down south. So which means traders are right off the bat right here. I'm pretty excited about the Aussie Cad trade right here and looking to sell Aussie Cad down south. So let's go ahead and do this right here. I'm going to go ahead and jump in on a sell on the Aussie Cad right here, and I'm going to go ahead and sell it. Now, what's very important is that you need to know is that on the Aussie Cad, if you look at our trade replica, we're actually in a buy on the Aussie Cad. And the profit target is actually at the 93.69. And we're running about 2 pips shy of that target. So which means that we're running into a buy. And I'm looking at this and I'm saying, hey, we're coming up to resistance. I'm going to opt in to rather look to sell the Aussie Cad because I believe that we're hitting a bit of resistance right here that we're going to see a bit of a pullback. So even though the trade replica is showing a different signal, showing a buy signal, I'm trading against that signal because I believe that the market's going to hit that resistance as we profit on that trade replica too. So just don't get confused. Remember, I want to make sure that everyone understands this trading show is a little different outside what maybe you're already connected to. Like if you're connected to a trade replica and you're looking and go, well, big dog, Aussie Cad is long on the trade replica. Why are you selling? That's because this is a manual trading session where we make some manual decisions based on technical analysis and all this other good stuff. And it's not really me going ahead and using the trade replica to go ahead and push the market in a direction, all right, for some time. And by the way, I do make the decisions on the trade replica as to where it's going to go ahead and buy and sell. And so there may be a choice where we're going to start thinking, I've got to look at a couple other things as well that's going to maybe change the direction on the trade replica as well. But let's put all of that aside. Let's not confuse anyone anymore. Let's just go ahead and focus in right now. Focus in. Look at my eyes. All right, just kidding. All right, so what we're going to do is this. We're going to go ahead and sell the Aussie Cad right now. We're going to go ahead and take a sell on the Aussie Cad. So let's go to this is my trading tool, by the way. There will be a name change on the trading tool right now, but it's going to be called the Pip Hunter Trading Tool that you can get for $7. If you haven't already, you can get for $7 for the first week, and you can follow the trades that we're doing right here. It's going to pay for itself, my friends. Make sure you go ahead and check out our starter member. All right. Now, Aussie Cad. Let's go ahead and sell Aussie Cad right here. All right. I'm in, and we are selling Aussie Cad. Oh, yeah, it's on like Donkey Kong. All right, so we're in on the Aussie Cad, looking to sell the Aussie Cad. Let's take a look and see what other opportunities we have this morning outside the Aussie Cad. Let's go to the New Zealand Cad right here. All right. Now, the New Zealand Cad is showing the same sort of thing. Look at this. Man, it's almost like when you see the Aussie Cad, you see the New Zealand Cad, you almost want to do the same thing. Now, I'm going to kill some fibs right here. Well, maybe I shouldn't. Wait a minute. Maybe I shouldn't. Let's go to the 1 hour right here. Oh, wow. Look at that. All right. I might need to. Let's just take a look here. Okay, new fibs right here. Yep, I'm good. I'm going to go ahead and sell New Zealand Cad as well. Also looking for a 20 pip drop right here. Let's jump in New Zealand Cad. And look to sell New Zealand Cad right here. Now, I'm selling New Zealand Cad because if you look at the, take a look right here. This is the 4 hour. And the 4 hour, I'm seeing negative divergence here as well. Look at that negative divergence. Let's kill this fib right here. All right, so I'm seeing negative divergence as price goes higher. Notice the oscillator is dropping south. All right, getting some negative divergence here on the oscillator and on price on the 4 hour. If I flip this over to a 1 hour time frame, look at this. I know this candle has still got about 30 minutes to go before it closes out, but it looks like it's holding off here. There's some sort of resistance at this point right here. There's something holding it from going higher, and it could be that this low right here is becoming a factor. Now, all I'm looking for is 20 pips right there. So if the market goes ahead and breaks back down south right here, gives me my 20 pips, that's all I need. I'm going to get the heck out of Dodge, but I am seeing resistance at that level right here. All right, so I'm going to stick with that. Now, let's go to the US Dollar Cad right here. So I'm a big believer that price is loving the support right here. Look at that support right there. All right, we got support, 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 and now we're at support right here. So it makes sense for me to want to think that US Dollar Cad is going to go back up again, and we're going to see some positive bullish move. Now, I know in the last hour it had this big bearish move right here, but it doesn't look like the market wants to go anywhere. Let's go take a look at the calendar for this week. Well, it's Tuesday. Zero news coming out. Well, at least no important news coming out here on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have some data. We've got pound data coming out. We've got CPI, yearly CPI for the pound. Fantastic. That's at 3 a.m. in the morning. But then we've got US data coming out. The Feds are just speaking at about 8 o'clock in the morning. And then if we keep going further down there, we have some Thursday data as well, some European data. So not a big crazy week of fundamentals, right? Now, obviously, the war in Ukraine is still becoming a issue because it does involve a lot of countries in the world, not just Ukraine itself, but a lot of countries are being affected. So we are going to get some market movement based on the war in Ukraine. There's no doubt about it. And I know there's been a lot of traders out there that have gone ahead and decided to go ahead and put their fingers down and not put any trades in through this period. We've gone ahead and traded through this period, but I've always said, make sure that you go ahead and prepare yourself for financially and make sure that you are always using good equity management, good risk reward ratios, good trade decisions, make good trade decisions during this period. All right, it's essential. And we mentioned how how you can reduce your risk in order to be able to stay in the game, because that's really what it comes down to. Let's see, traders, I want to go ahead and say this, and I think it's important for everyone to note. Remember, these are trade signals. All right, even whether you've connected to the trade replica or are using the trade signals, you have the option to make a decision based on your account size, based on your risk tolerance. You can make a decision how many currency pairs you want to follow, how much risk you want to place on each trade. You're in full control of how you want to manage your account. It doesn't matter if we go ahead and show trade signals on all 28 currency pairs. It doesn't mean because we show all 28 signals on all of those pairs that you're going to trade all of those 28 currency pairs. Come on, man. No. All right. So what I'm saying is this. Don't go ahead and use a $2,000 trading account or a $1,000 trading account and trade 28 currency pairs. Don't open yourself to that. Go ahead and make sure that you limit what currency pairs you're going to focus on so that you can manage your risk and how many trades you go ahead and enter based on what your account size is and based on your risk tolerance. All right. Make sure that you do that. Make sure that you do that. Sorry, I had to say it twice. All right. So this is the thing right here. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the next trade opportunity. So nothing happening based on fundamentals right here. So I'm comfortable jumping in on a buy. You can also see the oscillator is moving up right here. Prices move down. We should see a nice little push. Now, we did have a move right here. You can see there. But then the market pulled back down very quickly. Here it is. You see how price moved up and then suddenly it pulled back down. Well, we're back at support again. So I'm going to go ahead and venture into, and I want to go take a quick look right here. I always like to take a quick squiz right here. Oh, yeah. No, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. So I'm going to go ahead and buy US Dollar Cad. Let's go to US Dollar Cad right here. There we go. So US Dollar Cad, where we're at? US Dollar Cad. There it is. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and buy. All right, we're long on US Dollar Cad right here. All right, now the last one I have available right now is on the euro. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the euro, and let's see here on the euro. Looks like, my friends, I'm going to be on the sideline on the euro right here. I was looking for a buy, but at the moment right now, we can see that price is already on this 15-minute time frame. Gone ahead and traded on the retracement, rallied up. We're getting a bit of resistance right here. We've got the 1.618 up here at the top. I don't see this as a good opportunity as of right now. I'm actually want to be a buyer in the market, but I don't see enough upside potential to go ahead and buy. Markets are already taken off quite a bit right here already. Opportunity would have been about, let's see here. Actually, you know what? Let's see here. That high is around about 23 pips away. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, I'm seeing a little. I'm just. I'm going to stand aside on the euro just because the room that I'm seeing right here at the top here. I mean, we could push up a little higher. Price we're going to get on this one right here. Let's see here. Let's see the price. So price on the euro is at 10.31. If I can get 10.29, I might just go ahead and do that. Just so I can get a little extra. Well, you know what? 10.30 is not too bad. All right, I'm going to go ahead and buy euro US dollar right here. All right, I'm in on euro US dollar. All right, so it looks like I got in. There we go, 10.29. Fantastic, I got my price. All right, so 10.29. I am long on euro US dollar. I am long on US dollar CAD. I am short on Canadian Swiss. I've been in that since last week. I'm long, I'm short on Aussie Cad, and I'm short on New Zealand Cad. Those are the 5 pairs that I've gone ahead and entered this morning. We'll go ahead and take a look and see how that plays out. For right now, we'll stick to those trades. Now, once again, traders, if you want to go ahead and follow the trades, go to our Telegram channel down in the description. And in the Telegram channel, you will see where it says Pip Hunter right here. Oh, sorry, it says Traders Network Club down below right here. And you will see, and we'll get the name changed right here. At the moment right now, it says Pip Grabber Show, but it's going to change. It'll be Pip Hunter. But these are the trades right here. We've gone ahead and placed the trades. They're inside the Telegram channel. Check it out. Now, traders, if you want to go ahead and follow us and follow our trades and use the same tools that we want to use, go to our website, TradersNetworkClub.com. Check out the starter member. There you can get the trading tool we use, plus you can get the actual signals, not just the signals that we're doing here in the show, but we'll give you additional signals as a bonus. And by the way, that might not be the year for too long, but you will get the additional signals that we trade based on the trade replica as well, so you can enter a lot more trades. We want to get you entering a lot more trading opportunities, so you'll get the trade replica signals that gives us about 150 to 170 trade signals per month. In fact, let's take a look over here and see how many trade signals we've been getting over the course of this month so far. And let's go take a look right here. So the trade signals this month has given us, let's see, and by the way, we are 50% up for this month, this year already. Really 50% up. And we've placed, so far in this month, we've placed 218 trades already this month. There it is there. Don't take my word for it. There it is there. We've placed 218 trades, and we're not done this month already. So imagine all the trade opportunities that you're going to get. Check out our starter member inside Traders Network Club. Check it out. It is going to be a great opportunity for you to get into more trades. So check it out. And again, we're up 12% this month. Oh, I thought we were not going to hit our target from last month. Look at last month. We made 16% in January, 14%, almost 15% in February, and we're already 12.76% up this month alone, which means, traders, we haven't got a lot. We've got about a week left of trading, and I think we should go and surpass the last 2 months. I think we're going to do really good in our trade replica. So check it out. Those are the trade signals that you will get with our starter member. Listen here, traders, it's been fun. It's been awesome. I'm looking forward to the name change to Pip Hunter right now. I don't know. Camera says it doesn't gel with him. I like it. I like it. My wife, Michelle, said that, no, she says, it sounds like you're a hunter. I said, yes, we are. We're hunting for pips. She says, yeah, but it sounds like you're hunting for something. I said, yes, we're hunting for pips. How much more must I tell you? We're hunting for pips. We're looking for 20 pips in the market. Yeah, but it's great. I love it. We'll see you guys later in the next show. Pip Hunter, that's what it is now. We'll see everyone in the next show. It's going to be at the same time, same place. See you guys tomorrow. Good luck with your trading. I'll see you at 9:15 tomorrow. This is FxBigDog signing off.